Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from in Alawael Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Understand English, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
This is your first time working here in Malaysia, correct?
Yes.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Judy Ann Castillo. I'm 26 years old from Poblacion Sebastian.
You are 26 years old, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you single mother, single with live-in partner, or married?
Single and within partner, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
March 31, 1998.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'1". My weight is 47.
What about your religion?
70 Adventist.
Okay, what about your educational background? Are you elementary graduate, high school graduate?
Second year high school, ma'am.
Okay, how many children do you have?
4, ma'am.
How old ages of your children?
10, 8, 6, and 1 and 3 months old.
Okay, is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of these children once you come to work here? As you also got a 1-year-old and 3 months old child, it's still baby. So who will going to take care of them?
Yes.
Who will going to take care of them?
Ma'am?
Who will going to take care of your children?
My mother, ma'am.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
Yes.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
Two job, ma'am.
Sorry?
Yes, ma'am. I can't understand.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
Housewife, ma'am. My mother age is 56 years old.
What about your live-in partner? How old is he and what is his occupation?
Construction worker, and my husband age is 39 years old.
Okay, so Judy Ann, you know that you have a 2 years contract, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It's not 2 days, it's not 2 weeks, it's not 2 months, and it's not 1 year. So once you breach your contract, once you break your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, correct?
Yes, ma'am. I know, ma'am.
Okay, nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. You are the one who decided because you wanted to earn money to sustain your family's needs, right?
Yes. Yes,
So
ma'am.
usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your mobile handphone during working time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
But you can hold your phone during night time, but you need to render your phone for the next morning one, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to control usage of mobile handphone because if not, you feel groggy and you don't have the energy to work. Do you understand?
Mm.
On your rest day also, you are not allowed to go out during your rest day, but you will going to stay inside the employer's house. If you will work on your rest day, of course, employer will going to compensate your salary. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree, ma'am.
Okay, we want to clear and to clarify it to you before you come to work here in Malaysia because we don't have to have such a problem later. Whether you agree or you disagree about our rules and regulations as we don't force people also to come here and work, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
Okay, so in your buy data, it was stated that you have a working experience in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for how many months or way back 2023 to 2024?
Yes, ma'am.
How many months you work there?
6 days, 6 months, madam.
What happened? Why you didn't finish your contract?
Because my reason, madam, is delay my salary and overwork, madam.
Okay, delaying salary. It means,
Yes.
is it months that the employer didn't pass your salary?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so you're overworked. What time you sleep and what time did you start your work?
May start the wake up, madam, is 5:30 in morning, and the evening sleep is sometimes 1
1 a.m.
yes, 1 p.m.
Okay, so can you share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment in Saudi? Can you share it with me? What did you do there? What are your responsibilities?
Because my work is Saudi, madam, is cooking,
Okay?
uh, babysitter,
Okay.
and cleaning,
Did you
sewing.
do okay, sewing?
Are, are you,
Sorry? Sewing.
no, madam, ironing.
Laundry and ironing.
Yeah,
How old is
washing.
the baby that you take care?
Three, three,
Sorry, can you repeat again? How old is the baby that you take care?
10 months.
10 months old.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Judian, you know that being a domestic helper is very tough, right? You need to be flexible. You need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes.
Can you cook? Can you cook?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, I know.
What
I know
foods
cook.
you can prepare then? Do you know how to
Dar-
cook Arabic foods?
Yes, ma'am. Kabsa.
Kabsa,
Biryani, biryani, ma'am.
biryani. Okay, so can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Ma'am?
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care pets? Can you take care pets?
Ma'am?
Can you take care dogs, cats, rabbit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Judian, you always remind yourself that we come to work in other countries, so we need to follow our employers' rules and regulations, okay? We
Yes,
need
ma'am.
to bring our good attitude also because this is not the Philippines. In Philippines, we might be the boss, but in other countries, no such a thing, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You are the one who are working inside their premises, so you need to follow the rules and regulations of employer. You need to gain their trust, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So normally, how do you fight your homesickness? Like if you miss your children, your live-in partner, what normally do you do?
No, ma'am, because I'm challenged the Saudi, ma'am.
So homesickness never strikes you.
Sometimes we have problem with children. Yeah.
Okay. So why do you want to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong because they got higher salary than here in Malaysia?
Ma'am?
Why you didn't choose to go in Singapore or Hong Kong? Because they got higher salary than here in Malaysia.
No, because the Saudi and Malaysia, ma'am, is same.
Sorry, can you repeat again?
So Middle East, Malaysia is the same salary.
Oh, the same salary. So you want to come here.
Yes.
But once you come here, don't get culture shock, okay? Because Middle East and Malaysia is quite different, okay? Different culture also,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Different rules and regulations also. I think that's all for now, Judy Ann. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.